pebbles. If I do, I can put the beach pebbles down at the bottom, let's say. Okay. Be careful when you're loading this up. Last thing you want to do is crack this thing.
Joe, can you put that back down a little bit? Thank you.
Okay. We're starting to look like something here, by Joe. One potato, two potato, three potato, 4. 5, 10, 6 potatoes, 7 potatoes more. Okay. See, this is I got plenty. I'm not gonna dump them yet. I'm gonna dump them right here. I kind of like that. Nice blue river rock or pebble beach is what it was, right? Earth Essentials. Earth Essentials Beach Pebble Large. Remember that. Let's hope I got enough here. I'm thinking maybe having some of the clay show. Is that okay? I don't know. If you don't want any of the clay, nah, I think it's fine. Was the other one? Did the other one have some clay showing?
No. No.
Oh no. Really?
Let me double check.
Okay, go double check. We're looking at the other pot. The main thing you want to do is check out existing conditions. If you do one pot, make sure you do another pot. Okay, take a look at this one, Anna. Come in here and take a look at this. Does this one look about the same, or do I need to put some river rock in the bottom? I'm going to let you tell me.
No, it looks the same. The only thing, though, maybe cover up a little bit on the edges.
Around the edge?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, see, I'm going to have to raise it up.
No, not really, Joe.
I'm going to have to...
Watch, let me take a picture of the other one. I'll show you.
No, it's okay. It's okay. I believe you.
You don't have to raise that.
Are you sure? I will. I don't know if I got enough here.
No, honestly, you can just fix it around a little bit.
Well, it's kind of hard because I'm losing out some rocks.
But see, if you notice though, that the public will be on this side of the...
Yeah. Okay, how about that?
Yeah, better.
How's that?
That's perfect. That's exactly like the other
Okay,
one.
let's leave that. Good. Okay, now I can take my Earth Essential River Rock. How dirty this stuff is, but you know, when it gets wet, you'll get all that other stuff off of there. I don't think we're gonna have enough. Darn. Let's see. Let's see here. Here's my river bed. Okay. I'm gonna say we're a little shy, aren't we? Because this needs to be built up, and then I need a little bit more to continue it down. Unless I just stop this right into the ground cover, the bark. What do you think?
Oh, that's an idea.
See, this could stop right like that.
Okay.
Okay. Because it doesn't necessarily have to go all the way. You know, we're just creating a look. And when you're on the street, you see, back that up, you'll see that there's a wall right there. Okay, there's a wall there. Some people aren't really going to see this. You can kind of do however you want. So let's do that. And then, worst case scenario, here's an idea. You do this. If everybody's okay with it, we leave it. If they're not, then somebody's going to have to get some more rock, and you just pull the bark back, right? No harm, no foul. So we're going to do that. We're going to take our bark that we had. We're going to kind of move this back in together, and it's starting to take shape, isn't it? Oh yeah.
That's really nice.
Yeah, I got a little bit of extra bark over here. I can take over there. I guess I should be careful around the edge, shouldn't I? Or else it'll look like you didn't really care about your project. And of course, Joe always cares about whatever he does. And so, just kind of grab some of this over there. That. Still with me, camera lady?
Oh yeah.
Oh, you betcha.
Oh, you betcha, yeah, yeah.
Oh. Now, I've got to clean up this dirt around the edge. I've got a nice place for that right here. It's okay if it intermingles in with this bark at this point. Okay, like that. Now I've got my bark. And we're going to shove that forward. Get these roots out of here. I'm like a dog scratching. Or is that a cat? Cat does that, I guess, huh?
Both.
Okay. I think that's all we're going to be able to do. I wish we had enough rock, then we could have continued that down, right? This is going to have to do until the boss people from above want to get some more rock at the store. I'll gladly come back and put some more in, sir. Just bring me some more rock. And then I can scrape that out. You saw how easy that was. Okay. Sometimes you got to just make decisions on the fly. See, the other thing is, if we had some more rock, I could pull this back and we could make a nice little round thing here for the rock. What do you think about that?
That's what he did on the other
Okay, that's
side.
what they did over there. So see, we're short rock. I can pull this back. We can just gently curve this around. I think that would look way nicer. And then this can go straight, and at the end of the wall, it can kind of curve out both directions like that. Okay? But for the time being, until they get the rock, we can leave it just like this. I'm kind of liking that.
Very nice.
That's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.